Hey there, welcome to another 50Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make coconut macaroon cookies using our 50Express coconut macaroon mix. Put on your aprons and let's get started. Let's begin by boiling our 2/3 of a cup of water. In a mixing bowl of a stand mixer, add in your 50Express coconut macaroon mix and the hot water. Fit it with the paddle attachment. Mix at low speed, just enough to incorporate the ingredients. Using a spatula, scrape the paddle and the sides of the bowl. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a 2 2/3 ounce scoop, begin scooping your cookies. Place them on a cookie sheet lined with a silicone mat or a parchment paper. Bake at 350 until golden brown. Take your cookies out of the oven and let them rest to cool down. For added flavor, melt some of our 50Express dark chocolate and dip your cookies halfway into the chocolate. Set them on parchment paper and let them dry. Now they're ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time.